What's up everyone, my name is Umar Mujib and today I am going to be showing you how to start off on Bluej. If you are a new beginner on Bluej and don't know anything about coding, well, a few things about coding at least, this is a perfect video for you. I will explain you things from A to Z, whatever I know. I'm going to explain you simple topics, medium topics, hard topics, and complex topics. Now, these might seem easy to you because I'm not going to show you very hard topics because obviously even I need to learn them. I guess instead of that, let's just start off. So this is Bluej. I have downloaded it and installed it in my laptop. And once you install it, you have to go over here. It will show to make a new project. I made a new project called My Programs. As you can see, Bluej My Programs, and these are two programs that I've made. Don't give much attention to this one. It's just one that I made for fun. But this one is actually, I have made a video on it which doesn't have a lot of commentary or anything into it. For now, I'm going to show you how to start off with the simplest topics. Okay? So firstly, these are all classes. Okay? Let's say all of the letters, all of the program code lines and everything that we write are like students of a classroom, and we are making a new class. So make sure to give a good name that you can identify. For now I will be just giving as guide. Okay, guide. And also you cannot give a space. As you can see, I cannot give space between words. I can write numbers over here, anything I want, but no spaces. And there are many more things that you cannot put, but for now that's enough. Let's put it as guide. Let's double click on this. There's another way to open this class. Just right click on it. It will show open editor. Leave all these, just focus on open editor. This is basically an editor. So once we click on open editor, it will open this. Okay, this is our class. As you can see, there is a lot of stuff that we don't know, so let's just remove everything. Yeah, so now we are going to start off by writing a first program. Well, your first program. So the first thing you have to always do in a program is write the class name. So class guide, I hope that's correct. Then enter, curly bracket, enter. This is our class, and our class is done now. Okay, now we can write anything we want in this class. Not anything, obviously. Whatever we want to happen, we have to make a function for it always. Okay, and today I'll be showing you a simple function. Okay, so let's write public. Okay, I'll show you another thing, but first, public static void main. Okay, once you have written in the area of main, you can write anything you want. I'll write display if you want. You can write anything except some words, but there are millions of words, so I don't think there is a shortage. And also you can just make something like DI or AB or anything you want. One sec. Okay, sorry about that. So we were discussing that we can put anything in the place of main. Okay, so now to end this function, just write these two parentheses, enter, curly bracket, enter. Okay, what do we do? A simple mathematics sum. Yeah, that should be enough for the simple ones. So first of all, we are going to be doing the sum of integers. You know integers, right? So for integers, we have to write int, and now let's give a name to this integer as a. Okay, you can give any name you want. Yeah, in this matter you can give anything you want. I'll just give it as a. Int a equals let's say 20 semicolon. Int b equals 56 semicolon. Int c equals 69, the funny number. Okay, so now we will be doing the simple addition of it. So now in this matter, you have what you have to do is you have to make also an integer for the answer. That means the sum of 20, 56 and 69. So let's make another integer. Int d equals, now this we don't know, let's say we don't know the value of 20 plus 56 plus 69. What we will be doing is we will be putting it as int d equals a plus b plus c, which is exactly the same of the answer. Now we're going to, you know what, you can write straight away, but I just like to keep a space in between them. So now we are going to write the main sentence of it. Okay, now that you have made d, right, if you don't make d, your sum won't work, your addition won't work. Yeah, so you have to put it as a plus b plus c. You cannot just put the answer. So now let's write the output. Okay, what we should get after making this program. So this is the most common thing. You will be writing this hundreds of times once you start making programs. Ignore the background noises, please. Okay, so system with a capital S. Okay, dot out dot print, oh no, ln parenthesis semicolon. Let's go in between the parentheses. Let's put the double quotes, and now we can write anything into these double quotes. As you can see, these double quotes are like in green color. That means whatever we write in this will just appear as a sentence. Okay, these all things won't appear. This won't affect to your output. Okay, only the things that you will write inside this will come. Plus we'll also write d, so that will also come. So now what you have to do is, let's just write the sum of 20 comma 56 comma 69 is equal to, let's give a space in between. Now this is the main thing you should always keep in mind. Whenever you come out of the double quotes, whenever you are going to put the output in such program, put plus. If you don't put plus, wait, I'll show you if you don't put plus. Let's just put d over here. Now after equal to, d should appear, right, which is the output, which is the answer of 20 plus 56 plus 69. If we don't put d, let's compile this. Error. See, as you can see, it's showing us errors found in class, and it is also underlined it. Now it is showing that we have to put semicolon, but that's actually not needed. Why it is not needed? Because if we put a plus in here, it's gone. And now if we compile it, class is compiled. Basically this just checks the program. Okay, this checks the program and does all of the functions that it has to do. After checking the program that there are no errors, it does the function. What in our case the function is the addition of a plus b plus c. Finally, after doing it, it shows that there are no syntax errors and class is compiled. Okay, now let's close this. Let's open this. Now there are two ways you can see the output. One, we can see right over here, void display. This is what we put. Okay, void is nothing but the output. Okay, so click on void display and it will show you the sum of 20, 56, 69 is 145. Now I'm not very quick at maths, but I think that's the correct number. 20 plus 60 is 80. 6 plus 9 is 15. You know what? I'm not correct at it. Okay? I'm not correct at it. Now let's make a new class. You know what? One sec. I'll show you one more thing before that. Now let's go back to the editor. I just double clicked it. Okay? Let's remove public static. Actually, public is not even needed. If you put public, it doesn't matter. If you don't put public, it doesn't matter. I'm compiling it from the outside. And now it's not showing void display. Now what do you do? What do you do now? So you click on new guide. This will make an object. This is known as an object. Basically, now you just right click on this and boom, void display. Don't learn the other ones because it's pretty hard for now as you're a beginner. Void display, click it and boom, it comes. Now you might be already noticing that you might have copied everything and made a program. Now you might be noticing something. There are two, like one is here and another one, the same thing is over here, right? Well, if you want like mine where everything is wiped out and the same thing shows again, go to options and click on clear screen method call. Now if I don't do this, let's go to void display again. As you can see, as you can see, there are two lines. Okay, this one is the previous one and this one is like now. Okay, now if I put clear, it will all go away. If I put void display again, it will show the sum of 20, 56 and 69 is 145. Okay, now just click on clear screen at method call. So whenever you close any void, it will clear everything, and then whenever you open it, it will reappear. Okay, so that's done. Now we are going to make a new class. Let's name this class as guide2. Guide2. Let's go in. Now we are going to do something a little bit different. Okay, let's just take all of this out. Class guide. What's this? Class guide. Okay. Let's just put static version. Okay, so public. No. Public static void main. Let's do enter. Okay. So now we are going to do decimals. Okay. So for decimals, basically what you one second. I don't want to write a lot. So let's just copy this. Copy. Let's go to guide 2. As you can see, it showed up here because I did not close this one. Now let's just paste this, and now I'll show you what we can do for decimals. As you can see, these are integers. We want decimals. If you put decimal or something, it won't come for integer a. It is clearly mentioning integers. So now, oh my god, no. Let's just take out these integers first. Okay, now what we are going to do is, for integers there is a different word name. Its name is double. Okay, for double you have to write double. See, like integer, it has become red. So double and finally, so double also works for integers, but we will be putting some certain decimals right now. So plus No, point, what am I saying? Okay, point, let's put 6.8.2. I think that's good enough. Now let's go back here. Let's copy this. Copy. Let's come here. Go down a little bit and paste it. Okay. Let's change this now. Let's point 6.8 and point 2. Okay. Is plus D. Yay, done. That's it. Okay, public static void main. If you don't do void, you can just make this object and boom boom boom. Okay, let's compile this. This is done. Okay, compile, no syntax errors. Let's close this. Wait, why isn't it? Compile it. 1 second. I think there's an error in here. What's wrong? No syntax errors. So why isn't it showing? 1 second. I think we have to even close this. Compile. What is happening? There are no errors in here. Compile, no syntax errors, public static void main. What's happening? What? Okay, wait. I'll close Bluej and come again. Okay, 1 second. I'll just pause the recording. I understood my mistake. Okay, so oh my god. If you go in the editor, it says guide instead of guide 2. Guide 2. Compile. No syntax errors. Such a small mistake, and I was thinking about it for like 15 minutes. So now void main. Whoa, that's a big number. Okay. We need to change these numbers. You know what? Just to show you guys, I'm going to turn all this to 0, because 0 is also a decimal. Like if you put 0, it's still a decimal only, so it doesn't matter. Void main. The sum of 20.6, 58.6, it's the same. Let's go. Okay, so we have managed to do it. Just don't do small mistakes like those and you will be thinking like me. Okay, you will be stuck like me. Now what do I teach you? Okay, let's check my textbook. 1 sec. Okay, just give me 1 sec. Okay, now I'm going to show you 2 more programs. One is a little bit more complex, but the other isn't that much. Okay, one. Now what we are going to do is the third guide that we are going to make. Guide 3, enter. Let's go in. I did the spelling mistake. I don't know if I did any of the guide spelling correct. Comment down below if I did the guide spelling correct. I really feel I did it wrong. So class. Okay, guide 3, enter. Let's just do void main, because who wants to type static. Okay, why am I doing this? Okay, finally. Okay, void main. Now what were we doing? Yeah, addition and subtraction both at the same time. It's pretty easy actually. I don't know why you'll get confused in this, but okay, whatever. You know what, we'll do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and also get the remainder. This is going to be a big one. Okay, so first of all, let me show you. Addition is obviously plus. Okay, minus subtraction. For multiplication, it's this star. For division, it's this slash, this only. Okay, not the other slash, only this one. Okay, after that, for getting the remainder of the you know, the like after doing some division we get a remainder. Let's say we got a remainder. The to get the remainder you have to do the percentage sign. Okay, so let's print a few integers first. And wait, what and a equals let's just do as 2 3 or something. 2 semicolon. Yeah, don't forget to put 2, I mean semicolon. Okay, that can be bad. Equals 2 semicolon. Sometimes when you don't do something very simple, it shows the error in such a complex way that you never understand what it is. Okay, so please don't do simple mistakes. Try and copy everything you can. No, understand it. No, don't copy. No, don't copy, please understand it. Okay, so the next one that we are going to make is int b equals, let's first make all of the numbers we want. Okay, 6 semicolon, enter. I think we'll do all of the things with them only. Okay, so now we are going to do simple addition, which is int c equals a plus b. I hope you are repeating before I am even typing so that you understood it. Now we are going to do a second, which is subtraction. Yeah, now we'll be doing subtraction. You might be thinking, do we have to make another function for it? No, you don't. Okay, so int d equals a minus, no, a small, b minus a. That should be good. Multiplication. Yeah, I remember everything. Yeah, and e equals a into b semicolon. Int f equals we are going to do 6 by 2, so it's going to be like b by a. Okay, 6 by 2. If we divided it, we are going to get the answer in integers. If we do it like 2 by 6, then we'll have to convert it into a decimal. That's why. Okay, so 6 by 2 is b slash 2. No, b slash a semicolon. Finally, once we get the remainder, 1 second, how do we get the remainder? Okay, one sec. 1 sec. After brainstorming for like 15 minutes, I couldn't figure it out, so I'm not even going to check my textbook for it. Let's just not do it. Nice. If you cannot do something, just skip it. What am I doing? Now let's just do all of that system.println and stuff. You already know it, you already saw it. The same thing, just make a sentence. Let's do it all. System.out. Wait, no. System.out.println. No println. Okay, parenthesis is wrong, semicolon, double quotes. Let's just copy this first. Okay, control C, enter. Wait, undo. What happened? Oh my god, don't do stuff like me. Please don't do stuff like me. Copy. And now let's go on the second line and paste, third line and paste, fourth line and paste. Okay, now what were we going to write? Oh, sorry, the addition of 2 plus 2 and 2, just to be sure I'm going to put like that. I like it a lot. Okay. Is equal to space and then plus. Don't forget to put plus. I'm telling you, this can cause many big problems. Please don't forget to put plus, and this s should always be capital. This and these mistakes have happened for me when I was learning Bluej many times. So please don't make simple mistakes like me. So the addition of 2 and 6 is C. As you can see, C equals A plus B. Learn some maths, boys. Learn some maths. Okay, this is going to take some time. Of 2 and 6. That sounded wrong. Really wrong. Oh my god. Okay, now is equal to next plus D. You know what, I'm copying pasting this. This is just too much. I can't do this. I'm copy pasting this. I cannot write it a lot. Paste. Let's just boom. Now in this area, wait, product, right? Wait guys, oh my god. Sum difference product. How could I forget this? Oh my god. Then finally, what was the last one? Quotient. I don't know what it was. I think yeah, this is the correct one, I think. Okay, 2 and this is D, this is E, and this is F. So we have finally made our program. This is 4 different like functions in a single program. Now I'm going to step up my game and do like a very complex one. I don't know if I can do it. If I seriously can't do it, we'll just do a simple one and call it the complex one. That's both boys. Okay, let's compile this. Okay, let's do new guide. Remember, we did not put static or public over there, that's why. The sum of 2 and 6 is 8. The difference of 2 and 6 is 4. Who doesn't know it? I don't know. The product of 2 and 6 is 12 and the quotient of 2 and 6 is 3. I did not make the mistake. That's why it's showing 3. But if I would have made the mistake like A by B, it's going to be hectic. 3, 2, 1. Wait, what? Okay, it's just showing the first like integer number. Okay, I understood. So just because we put integer, okay, this is a good thing that I should show you. So in Bluej, just because we put integer over here, okay, it's going to show only the integer part of the number. One sec. Okay. So just because we put, you know what, no, wait, see, if we put int, it will show only the integer part of the number, like 5, 6, 7, even if it is like 0.0 blah, blah, blah. Okay, it will just show you 638271. okay, even though we have the 0.03 and all. But if you want the whole number to come, okay, that was anticlimactic before. Okay, double. Who doesn't remember this? Did not study and did not try programs by themselves. Compile this, go back, new guide, enter. This should be correct, and 0.0. I don't know why it is happening. I don't care. Let's just change this back to integer. B and A. let's stick to our normal things. Okay, compile. Okay, let me choose a good, complex but easy yet complex program for you guys. Okay, just give me a sec. Okay, so I think I got one which is pretty complex, but I'll still show you because I like to show people things. I like to show people complex stuff. Guide. You know what? Swap. This is what we are going to do. In this class, we are going to swap two numbers. Okay? Like at first it is like uh, like 10 and 20, and then it is 20 and 10, like that. So let's make a class, and let's name it swap. Go down, curly bracket, void name, curly bracket. Okay, now integer a equals, so let's say 10 semicolon, integer b equals 20 semicolon. I'm not even looking at the screen right now. Okay, it should look, sometimes errors can come. Okay, now how to perform the swapping of them. Okay, there's a special trick to this. If I do the trick correctly in front of you guys, I am an expert. If I don't do, please, I apologize. Please forgive me. So if my memory is correct, m equals, no, wait, whoa, whoa. This is not m, this is a. So a equals a plus b semicolon, b equals a minus b semicolon. I hope this is correct. Oh, a equals a minus b. I know you might not be understanding what I'm doing, but I'm just hoping this works, because if I remember, this worked for me. Let's just make our system dot out dot println double quote at no, before swapping the before swapping comma a equal, now let's come outside, do 2 times plus. Okay, we are going to initialize two values this time. So a equals as what was that, no, okay, correct. A equals a, which is 10. Now let's put, after that let's give some space, and b equals plus b. Okay, now let's copy this whole system. No, wait, this should come before. Okay, this should come over here. Let's also copy this, let's paste it over here. Okay, let's change these out to, no, we don't have to change it out. I think it has to be the same. So if my memory is correct, yeah, after compiling one by one, it will show that first it will show before swapping a was 10 and b was 20. Then it will perform this which is this function, a equals this, b equals this. Then it will do the next line, which is, no, we have to change this to after swapping. After swapping, a equals that and b equals that, because at the end a should be 20 and b should be 10. Okay, let's compile this. No syntax errors. New swap. because we did not make it as public static. Void main. Let's go. Let's go. It works. Oh, I love myself. I am an expert. Let's go. It works. Before swapping, A was 10 and B was 20. After swapping, A is 20 and B is 10. Let's go. We managed to do it. Yes. Ha. That was a hectic one. That was really a hectic one. Now I'm going to show you a program that I made before, and that is, wait a minute. Let's do void main and thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked it, enjoyed it. Learn, man. Study nicely and learn computer. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.